Everything in this world is welded. This event we were going to Jacksonville, Florida. We've been training all year for the competition, and the city of Jacksonville pulled the permits where they couldn't host the competition. Our advisory team jumped in to help us to put on an event. A lot of great companies like Dyco Staffing, Jennings, Dill.
We have worked with Bond's Career Center for a while now, and when they said that their welding competition was getting canceled, we wanted to jump on board and let these kids do what they've been working hard for all year.
It's a three-step process. We got oxy-fuel cutting is one portion. We have a MIG and TIG portion, and also stick portion using 6010 and 7018 welding, all coming together for a total score in their welding. Instructors from college here to help judge the competition. They're looking for everything. Their hand-eye coordination and the bead pattern and the precise of their cutting.
I like fire, so it's fun to play with the torches and stuff like that and getting to cut metal and everything. I just really like it. Being able to do it is something that not a lot of girls want to do, and me getting in there and building stuff and working with my hands and not really doing hair or cosmetology or such like that. It's just something I really enjoy doing. It's like art. Like people make roses, statues, figures and stuff like that, and it creates art, and like it's beautiful. Like when I see something and I see something welded, it's actually like a masterpiece. Like it looks like a masterpiece to me.
Welding is needed in this area. You know, there's plenty of jobs available and a shortage of welders.
There's a 500,000 person shortage of welders across the United States right now, because the welders are aging out. The 55 of our welders have gone through Dyco to get on to Jennings Dill in the past 8 years coming out of Bonds Welding, so we're very proud of that. We're like a family here in this program. They're turning out great welders year after year. 13-time state champion. We're very proud of our school. If you want to learn a good trade, go to Bonds Welding. We love it here. They know the name, they know the reputation, and they know where to come to get the welders.